Welcome back to Chef Basics, I'm Baz. Today we're making a carrot puree, although you could change the vegetable to make any other puree you like. So start by boiling enough water to cover all your vegetables and then put in a big pinch of salt. Then go ahead and peel your carrots, trying to get all the peelings into the bowl. And now top and tail your carrots and then cut them into even sized pieces. It doesn't really matter what size they are as long as they're consistent here. And remember, I'll put all the recipes and the equipment I use in the description below if you want to check them out. Anyway, so now your carrots are all cut, you're going to add them to the boiling salted water and we'll cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes or until soft. Once cooked, remove the lid and then take them and drain them well. Now put them into a blender along with your butter and your milk. You could also use cream here, but I prefer milk for this particular recipe. Now blend on high until a smooth puree is formed. If it's a little thick, you can just add a little bit more milk or cream. Next up, you want to push all of this through a fine sieve. This will remove any unblended carrot and stop your bottle from getting clogged up later when you're trying to use it. Now taste it and adjust the seasoning with a little bit of salt if needed. Now place it into a squeezy bottle and it's ready to use. Here's a couple of different ways you can use this. See you next week.